Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see facts for UPSC prelims for 20th October 2020. Our first news is Grand ICT Challenge. It was launched by National Jal Jeevan Mission in partnership with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Objective to create innovative, modular and cost-effective solution to develop a smart water supply measurement and monitoring system to be deployed at the village level. The mission focuses on service delivery rather than mere creation of infrastructures. The best solution will get cash prize of the best solution will get cash prize of rupees 50 lakh and runner-ups will get cash prize of 20 lakhs each. This is ICT Grand Challenge. Grand Challenge for development of smart water supply measurement and monitoring system. Country's first multimodal logistic park. The first ever multimodal logistic park will be built in Assam. The park will provide direct connectivity to air, road, rail, and waterways to the people. It will be developed under the ambitious Bharatmala Pariyojana of the Government of India. Asafoetida. Asafoetida or hing is a common ingredient in most Indian kitchens. Hing is not cultivated in India. India imports rupees 600 crore worth of this pungent flavor herb every year. It is a perennial plant. The plant stores most of its nutrients inside its deep fleshy roots. Asafoetida is endemic to Iran and Afghanistan, the main global suppliers. It thrives in dry and cold desert conditions. Why in news? Scientists at CSIR Institute of Himalayan Bioresource, Palampur, are on a mission to grow hing in the Indian Himalayas. The first sapling has been planted in Himachal Pradesh, Cowring village in Lahaul Valley last week. Places in news: Fiji. It is an island country in Melanesia, part of Oceania in the South Pacific Ocean, about 1,100 nautical miles northeast of New Zealand. Fiji consists of an archipelago of more than 330 islands. Assam Mizoram boundary issues. The dispute stems from a notification of 1875 that differentiated Loshai Hills from the plains of Kachar, and another of 1933 that demarcates a boundary between Loshai Hills and Manipur. Location: Mizoram border Assam's Barak Valley, both border Bangladesh. Malabar Naval Exercises. Australia will join the Malabar 2020 naval exercise consisting of India, Japan, and the US to be held next month. Australia had first requested to join more than 3 years ago. Pearl River Estuary. The Pearl River Estuary includes Hong Kong, Macau, as well as the mainland Chinese cities of Shenzhen, Guangzhou, and Dongguan. Why in news? Chinese pink dolphins are making a comeback in the Pearl River estuary, one of the most heavily industrialized areas on earth. That's all facts for UPSC prelims news for today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more UPSC prelims current affairs. Till then, have a nice day. Bye. Take care.